Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to connect your Android phone with Android Studio using Wi-Fi. So you are going to run the apps that we are building on Android Studio on our phone, and that too wirelessly. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install Android Studio. So if you don't have Android Studio, please do install Android Studio by just following this video. Now let's see how to connect your Android phone with Android Studio. So for that, first we have to click on these node devices, and that will show you these paired devices using Wi-Fi. So we are going to use our Wi-Fi to connect with our phone and laptop over the same network. So click on these paired devices over Wi-Fi, and here is our QR code. Now let's jump onto our Android phone and go to settings and click on my phone. Then scroll down a little, you will get version info, go there and you will get build number over here. So keep on clicking this build number. So see, 3 steps away from being a developer, 2 steps away, 1 step away from being a developer, and finally you are a developer. So you need to confirm by putting your pattern, and now you are a developer. Next you need to go back and scroll down. You will get system, open that and scroll down again and you will get developer options over here. So go inside. See, now you have developer options enabled. Next step that you need to do is you need to enable this wireless debugging. So enable that. Always allow on this network. Click on allow and it is rightly done now. Next thing that you need to check is your phone and your laptop must be connected over same network. Once you have that, next you need to press and hold this wireless debugging. That's going to show you this screen. Here to proceed with paired devices with QR code, and use the scanner to scan this QR code, so it's going to immediately start pairing your device. See, it's rightly started to connect to that device. And there you go. It is connected. Success. Just simply click on close. And here is our devices also rightly recognized. Now all you need to do is to click on this run button. It's going to immediately start building our application and going to install it on our Android phone. So our building is completed. It started installing our application on our phone. And here is our application. Hello Android, launched on our phone. So if you update something on your code, so like for this name variable, if you update instead of hello Android, if you make hello Geeky Script subscriber and click on this rerun button, it's going to install our app again on our phone and going to show you hello Geeky Script subscriber. So whatever you have written, so that's going to show you on your phone, and you are going to see that application installed on your phone just like any other app. Similarly, I have built one more application called this quiz app. This is just a basic demonstration of application that you can create on Android Studio. This is just a basic quiz app. So what is the capital of France? You give Paris. Then which planet is known as a red planet? Again it is Mars. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? So it is William Shakespeare. So you can see correct. Then what is the boiling point of water? Again it's 100, but I am going to give another answer so that it shows incorrect. So you can see it is wrong, and my score it shows 3 out of 4. So this type of applications or even much more better application you can obviously create using Android Studio, and you can run that on your Android phone. So soon I'm going to post more videos on Android Studio on this channel. So please do subscribe this channel. You can also join our community and also mention on our comment sections whether you are loving these videos. I really love reading all of your comments. Please do comment. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. I'm sure you're going to love all these different projects that I have created. Or if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this playlist. So do follow my other videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you all.